If you're making these 3 simple mistakes, you're losing money when it comes to affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 simple mistakes that you should avoid doing that'll cost you money with affiliate marketing. Now, I wanted to share these because I know if you're new to affiliate marketing, even though it's a simple concept to understand what affiliate marketing is, it can still be pretty overwhelming and confusing. And hopefully this video will help you save some time, some frustration, and most importantly, save you money. Now, some of these mistakes I've made myself, and some of these are mistakes that I've seen other people make over the past couple of years that I've been learning affiliate marketing. Now, if you want a great resource, then check out the 7-minute guide to affiliate marketing. It's a free download that you can get access to, and it's like a checklist that'll help you become more successful with affiliate marketing. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to check it out. Okay, so let me talk about the first mistake. And this is relying entirely on solo ads to earn commissions. Now, if you don't know what solo ads are, it's where you pay somebody who has a massive email list and you're renting out their email list or a portion of their email list. So when you pay for solo ads, you're paying for a certain amount of clicks to get to your offer. So let's say that you have a training course that teaches people how to make money online. That's the product that you're promoting as an affiliate. Let's say that you buy a solo ad for 200 clicks. So you're paying to get 200 people to click on your offer. And a common website that people use for solo ads is called Udemy. So let's say if you pay a vendor for 200 clicks, they can charge anywhere between 20 to 90 cents per click. Now, don't get me wrong, solo ads are a great way to test out an offer to see if it's actually a good offer. But you don't want to rely on solo ads as your main source of paid traffic. The reason why is because what most vendors are doing is they're buying email lists off of other vendors. So you don't really know how good the quality of traffic is that they're sending to you. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't try out solo ads at all. That's not what I'm saying. Like I mentioned, it's a great way to test out an offer to see if it's a good offer. And it's a quick way to get some data and a few leads and even a couple of sales. But if you're going to be spending money running solo ads every day or every week to the same offer, I mean, chances are you're not going to see too many results. Just think about how many other people are paying for solo ads and how many times that vendor is sending offers to the people on their email list. Even if a vendor says that they constantly refresh or clean their email list, I mean, you can't really confirm that. You just kind of have to take their word for it. And just remember, when you're paying for solo ads, you're paying for each click. You're not paying to get leads and you're not paying to get sales. So all the vendor's job is to send you a certain amount of clicks that you paid for. Okay, so real quick, I just want to say, if you're brand new to my channel, I just want to first welcome you. My name is Benjamin. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so mistake number 2, which is costing people money when they get started with affiliate marketing, is not growing their email list. Now, you might be thinking, what are you talking about? It costs money to build an email list. Well, if you didn't know, you can create a free account in Aweber, which is an email software service of up to 500 subscribers with some limitations. And there's other email softwares out there that offer free trials. But that's besides the point. If you're sending people to an offer that you're promoting without first capturing their email and they don't buy that offer, then that person is gone. You missed your chance to follow up with them. But if you collect somebody's email before you present them to an offer and they don't buy it, then you can follow up with them through a series of emails. You can send them an email that says something like, hey, I've seen that you were interested in this product, but you didn't buy it. Here's some more information about it. And here's the link where you can get it for yourself. Just by doing something as simple as that, you're increasing your chances of making the sale. And if you aren't working to constantly build your email list, then you're also missing the opportunity to sell other products that are related to your original offer. So if your original offer is something like a weight loss supplement, you can easily think of something else that somebody who's trying to lose weight would want to buy. You can find products like jump ropes, yoga mats, dumbbell sets, a set of resistance bands, and you can send the people who are on your email list a message. An example would be, here's the perfect workout equipment that you can do in your own home with just a few minutes a day. And then you can just have your affiliate link to the product where they can get it for themselves. Okay, so one thing that I wanted to mention before I move on is that it is going to cost you money to build an email list. But if you're going to take affiliate marketing seriously, then you're going to want to invest into an email software service that's going to allow you to build an email list and also send out an automated email sequence to the people who are on your list. When it comes to email softwares, there's some cheap options and even some free ones. I just mentioned Aweber, which allows you to create a free account with up to 500 subscribers with some limitations. And then there's plenty of softwares out there that allow you to get a free trial. The one that I use personally is GetResponse. Now, in a previous video, I've covered the difference between Aweber and GetResponse, and they're both pretty good email softwares. Now, I'll leave a link down below where you can compare the difference between these two softwares just based on the personal things that I would use them for. It's just a simple page that I created that compares the differences between GetResponse and Aweber. So you can check the link in the description down below if you want to see what the differences are. Okay, so the third and probably the most important mistake that I see people making is when they're doing product reviews. And this is when you see people talking about a product, a program, or a service. But I see this mostly with people who are promoting training courses. And the way that they're talking about the product is like it's the best product in the world. You got to check it out. It's going to change your life. It's going to save your marriage, or whatever they say. And the way that they talk about the product seems kind of fake because they're just focused on earning that commission. Now, if you're somebody who's seriously considering buying that product and the person that you're watching is reviewing that product, they sound like a used car salesman, then you're probably going to look for somebody who's going to do a more honest review about it. Somebody who seems more authentic. Because somebody who is more authentic, they're more focused on talking about the pros and cons about using that product and who that product would be best suited for. And the person who's coming off as a used car salesman, they're going to lose out on the sale, which is kind of funny because they're focusing on how they can make money with that product, but they probably don't realize how they come off to the person who's actually watching them. And then they lose out on the sale. And also, people can just go to Google, they can do more research on their own about that specific product, and they can buy it through somebody else's affiliate link, or they can just buy it directly from the company. Now, if you want to check out the 7-minute guide to affiliate marketing, like I mentioned, you can check out the link in the description down below. And if you want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, I'll leave that link down below as well. Make sure to check out this video right here if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok without even showing your face. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the video. Well, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.